This is Country Mall, Mom Jazz, Mom Gina, and then that's Mivela. So from Country Mall, you can already see the buildings of Mivela.
Only walking distance.
Just walking distance.
Yes.
Yes, look at that. It's
Very
ongoing
near
construction.
establishments. Yes, that's it. So I think they're having 4 towers now.
Wow.
4 towers.
To all our clients who has units here in Mivela, so this is the updated construction. So as you can see, nothing much to worry because Typhoon Odette did not destroy it in any way. So congratulations, it's almost finished. The 4 towers are almost finished. Wow. This unit is just how much, my loves? Per month?
Mom Gina is paying 7,000.
Don't
7,000 plus.
7,000 per month. Dear clients, if you want to invest in some properties, properties here in Cebu for just 7,000 a month, you can own a condo here, just at the back of Country Mall. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.